I'm always looking for ways to get more organized and to maximize storage utilization. So I got this Mbillion over the door hook hanger, and it's going to help with that. So this organizer has 2 mesh baskets. I'm going to put it together in a moment, and we'll get into it. But it has 2 mesh baskets and 15 hooks. 1, 2, 3, and there are 5 of them, so that's 15. And it's designed to go over your door. And so this could be used in almost any door, any room if you need it. Maybe your bathroom or your kitchen, your bedroom, or your office. So this is the box that it comes in. I'm going to put it together. Alright, so I got the 2 pieces here connected. Make sure that you screw the bolt on. They do give you a tool and some 3M tape. I just used my own screwdriver because it was a little bit easier for me to do that. And I will finish putting it all together when I get it set up on the door of my choice, so stay tuned. Now this does work with most standard doors. And it is perfect. It is stainless steel, so it's rust proof. So it's good for any place, maybe a bathroom in particular. There we go. That's the first one, fairly easy to put in. All you have to do is just slide it into the slots. Alright, now this was fairly simple, as you could tell, to set up. For whatever reason, I'm sure if you didn't want the hooks or if you didn't want one of the baskets, you could take it off and put it in whatever configuration you feel is best. But this is the one that is on the instructions, and this is what I would use too. Alright, so here is it all loaded up. Since this is in the bathroom, I have a lot of bathroom products. So I've got shampoo and conditioner, there's some bubbles for bath, there's some scrub, there's fragrances, there's cleansers, there's bath bombs. It holds a lot. And also you can hang towels, or in this instance I have my my hair towels and the headbands that put my hair back when I'm washing my face. There's just plenty of room here for whatever room you're really using this in. So I mean, if you wanted to put purses on this in your closet and maybe some other things that are just kind of, what do you want to call it? Just harder to put in your closet. You can't really hang them, but you know you could put them somewhere. You could be hanging from here, or if this was in your office, you know, you got, you know, your briefcases and any other small things that you need to put somewhere else. Alright, thanks for watching.